Welcome to my YouTube channel. What's he up to now? Together, let's find out. Well, before I started today's video, I wanted to mention, if you hadn't seen my last video, my dad built this nice plexiglass box to hold my wasp nest in that I cut off my home to preserve it. He did a really great job, so check out that video. You can see close-ups of it. And so he builds birdhouses as well, and he calls his business Unique Birdhouses. He's too proud to call it what I would call it, which would be Awesome Birdhouses. And he sells them at the farmers market in Underhill, Vermont, off of Route 15, 3 o'clock to 6:30 every Thursday. The last farmers market of the year for Underhill is the first Thursday in October. So if you want to check out some of his birdhouses that we're about to see, and perhaps buy one for a Christmas present, you got till then to do it. And if he doesn't have what you want, perhaps maybe you could put an order in. Maybe. It's up to my dad. He's 80 years old, so. But that's his hobby. Anyway, without further ado, let's take a tour of the farmers market and his birdhouses. Alright, we'll see you there. Say hello.
Hello.
He's the creator of all these wonderful birdhouses, which I'm going to take you on a quick tour of. From the left to the right, but I'm going to go to each individual one. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see how he did. First we come to a bat house he's selling. It's a bat cave, as you can see. That should give some bats a place to live. Here's the tack shop. Nice detail there. Or blacksmith shop, yeah. We're going to come over here to the Hobbit house. Very lovely. Nice little mushroom there. This one here, can't quite read it with the sign hanging in front of it, but I guess it's, let's see, it's the Crooked Inn. And it is crooked. Another birdhouse. And let's see what we got here. Alpine Lodge. Look at that. That's nice. And then we have the songbirds here. Very cool. I like that one. And we got a covered wagon here. A little rain barrel on the side. Just Blue Wind Birdhouse. Must be for bluebirds. And let's see, the top shelf up here, we got the Fairy House. That's a nice one. We got Noah's Ark. Let's check this out. We got elephant, giraffe, there's Noah, a camel. Oh, and the price tag's in the way of the... Oh, look at it. We got that, the baby giraffe. Nice. Nice. Let's rent it. What do we got here? Rocky Roost. Isn't that a nice one too? This one here's a little red shed. Then we have, I don't know. It's like a little garden. Look at the little tools she's got. That's very nice. Wildwood Home. Now let's go down below. These are all those houses. Now we're going to go down below. Check out the barn. That's nice. Oh, Early Bird Fishing Lodge. Fishing license sold here. Yeah, oh, look at that little canoe. Ah. There's another barn with a roost, a cow up top, up a wind lane. Got the Love Shack. And in between the Love Shack and the next one, we got my mother over here. Say hi, Ma.
Hi.
She comes with Dad. Woodcutter's cabin. Oh, look at that. Little pile of wood, chair. Nice. And we got the hunting lodge. Hunting licenses over here. Hunting lodge. That is cool. Now, we're going to take over here. We got the moose lodge on this pole. Isn't that cool? Moose lodge. And then we got the chick inn. Little baby chickens on that one. Awesome. And over here, looks like we got the fireman's house. Number 9 engine company. Oh, we got a little Dalmatian dog out here. Fireman's ladder, a hat, boots. And let's see, then we got the quilt shop. Right next to the fire station. Got a little Singer sewing machine going on there. Isn't that nice? Quilts for sale. And we have Cabin in the Glen. This little cabin, birchwood door, little chair. And we got the Drift Inn. Oh, it looks like driftwood in this one. Look at the little shell. Isn't that cute? What we got here? Oh, yeah, just a rock. Drift in. And I like this outhouse. Bird drop-ins, one holer. That's cool. He sets them up so you can see the babies inside. This is a plexiglass. The seat is taken. Sears and Roebuck. That's what you like. Never mind. Bridge to Birdland. Oh yeah, we got a covered bridge here. Isn't that cool? Huh. So this is their whole setup. Back away so you can see it all. Well, thank you for watching my video to the end. Well, since you did, I'd like to ask you to subscribe, like, and share if you like this video. You never know what's going to be happening next, so stay tuned. Check back with me and see what's going on. I'll try to post a video once or twice a week to see what he's up to now. All right. Have a great day. Thank you very much.